You want to use the interpretation tool with your Zoom platform. Here is our tip number 4. Exclusive voting. You want to use the polling tool provided by Zoom, but you are facing a serious issue. Not all your participants will have a voting right. Don't worry. There are different solutions. First, tip 1. Ask the participants without a voting right to close the poll window without voting. Click on the cross. By the way, don't forget that the interpreters will also be shown the same voting window. Normally, they know they should not vote. Tip 2. Put the participants without a voting right back in the waiting room until the voting procedure is finished. Tip 3. Add to your polls, on top of the usual yes, no, abstentions, a fourth choice, not entitled to vote. By the way, don't forget that if you propose only 2 names of candidates to fill in 2 positions, there will be no possibility for the voters to click both, as a choice must always be made. For instance, if Jane Austen and John Irving both apply for the only 2 positions of vice presidents of the organization, if this is what appears on the voting window, there will be no possibility for the participants to vote to click both names. So you'll have to add a third name, a fake name, Mr. X, as a third choice. In this case, the participants will be able to click for Mrs. Jane Austen and for Mr. John Irving, hoping that they will not vote for Mr. X.